Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by collecting evidence. Open the NGL message and record the exact time, wording, and any nearby profile activity. Once done, take screenshots and save them to a secure folder so nothing vanishes. Make sure to cross-check the message timing against your social posts or stories that day, because patterns often reveal likely senders. This first stage gives you a factual baseline to compare later. It reduces guesswork and prepares you for targeted follow-up steps. Now you analyze patterns. Look for repeated words, emoji habits, and punctuation quirks in the anonymous note, since people unconsciously repeat style. Then map that style against recent commenters, DM, and those who view your stories. You want overlaps. Once you spot a candidate, inspect their posting and reply times to match time zone or routine cues. Make sure to keep a short list and avoid accusations. You are building a probability-based case, not proving identity yet. Finally, confirm gently. Craft a neutral story prompt or a direct but non-accusatory question that invites the sender to respond, because reactions often confirm identity. If the content is harmful, report to the platform with your saved evidence. Platforms act on threats faster with clear proof. Once done, secure your account. Adjust privacy, limit who can message you, and block suspects. If nothing works, change habits and settings to prevent future anonymous probes and protect your mental.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.